Dear students, in this video, we will have an overview of the course Strategic Management. We will see that what will we study in this course, what is the content of this course, and what will be the pattern of this course. So let's start and see that what will we study in this course. Basically, this course is thematically divided. There are three major themes which we will study in this course. Theme 1 will be the classics of strategic management. Theme 2 will be the schools of thought, and theme 3 will be the great debates in strategic management. Basically, these three themes are wisely chosen, and actually these contain all of the information that must be included in the postgraduate or graduate level course. So this is advised to go through all these three themes and study the course. So thematically, I will describe that what these three themes are actually all about, and the content, what kind of content will we cover in these themes, individually in these themes. So in the theme 1, which is the classics of strategic management, while describing it, first of all, we must know that what is the classics? What does classic mean? Classic is a work which is recognized and has established its value and is considered outstanding in its kind. So while talking about the classics in strategic management, we will be talking about those researchers and those authors who have contributed in the development and evolution of the field of strategic management. So in the theme 1, which is the classics of strategic management, we will be having an overview of the gurus of the work of these gurus of strategic management. These some of these gurus, you may say, are the researchers. I have listed them down, but we will also discuss other researchers and authors who have contributed in the field development of the field of strategic management. So the second theme of the course, in the course content of the strategic management, is the 10 schools of thought. As in other video, we have learned that what is a school of thought. We have learned in very detail. So I will just write down the definition of what is a school of thought. A school of thought is an intellectual tradition in which group of people share common opinions. So basically in this theme 2, we will be going through the intellectual traditions of strategic management. So before going into the detail, let's see that what are 10 schools of thought and how they are actually designed. So design of 10 schools is basically on the two components. One is the nature and other is the perspective. I will one by one define the design component of 10 schools, and then we will see that what are those actually 10 schools which we are going to study in theme 2. So when we talk about the nature, when we see something, before going into the detail of the 10 schools, we must know that what is the nature. When we see something, there are two ways to see something. One is how it actually is, and the other is how it should be, the ideal situation. On the basis of these two aspects of the nature, we have also divided the design of the 10 schools on the basis of nature and perspective. So nature is the either prescriptive, which is how strategy should be formulated, and the other kind of the component of the nature is the descriptive, which is how strategy actually is formulated. So on the basis of the nature, 10 schools are divided. Either they are prescriptive or descriptive in nature. Then the other part of the design is the perspective, a particular attitude or way of regarding something. So this picture can well elaborate that what are the design components of schools of thought, and what are actually the school of thought which we are going to study in theme 2. So the nature of the school can be either prescriptive, which means that how the strategy should be, the ideal situation, or it can be descriptive, how the actually strategy is formulated. So if we see the prescriptive nature of the schools, we have certain perspectives, which is design, planning, and positioning. These three perspectives are three schools, which means that under the prescriptive nature, we have three perspectives: design, planning, and positioning, and these are three schools of thought to see the strategic management. The next thing is the nature of the school can be descriptive as well, which means how the strategy is actually formulated. So on the basis of this nature of the school, we have multiple perspectives: entrepreneurial, cognitive, learning, power, cultural, environmental, and configuration. So these are 7 different perspectives on the nature of the descriptive nature of the school. So these are 7 schools of thought. This picture can well elaborate nature of the school can be either prescriptive or descriptive. And on the basis of prescriptive, we have these schools of thought. And on the basis of descriptive, we have these schools of thought. So collectively, we have 10 schools of thought. Theme 3 is the great debates in strategic management. In this theme, we will be having an overview of the contemporary issues of strategic management. In contemporary issues, we will see some practical aspects and some theoretical aspects. In contemporary aspects, which can be covered in the practically or theoretically. So the first component of the great debates in strategic management will include the theoretical and the practical aspect. While in the debates in strategic management, that is the second part of our theme 3, the debates in strategic management. In this portion, we will see some theoretical aspects, and we will see that how we can contribute in the great debates of strategic management theoretically, and how we can add in the body of scholarship and add in the body of knowledge of strategic management. Now comes the course pattern. We have tried to compose this course, strategic management, in an unconventional way. So you have to see that what is the course pattern, and you have to make it sure that you follow this pattern so that you can get maximum benefit from this course. So course pattern is also divided into 3 parts: modules, interactive sessions, and assessments. So one by one, we will see that what is the course pattern, and then we will see that how we can what are the modules, what are the interactive sessions, and what is the assessment actually. So going to the modules, this is a very important thing which you have to see and understand that what is a module. Module pack is a study pack. It's a combination of books and study material and some description, which will give you an overview that what module is actually all about, and all the study material will also be included in it. So these modules will be announced, and you have to download from the download section and read it whenever your teacher will ask you to do so. So module pack will consist of the reading material, which will include books and research articles. This is a very important thing to note. And the second thing, which is very interesting here, is it will include, this module pack will also include description, which will include the objectives of the module, outcome of the module, description of the module itself, and any other necessary information. This description will also be the part of this module pack. So we will be having multiple module packs in our course, and these modules will be announced time by time, and you have to download, say, module pack 1, module pack 2, as your teacher says. So you have to study those modules and the material which is included in each module. So on the basis of each module, we will be having interactive sessions. These interactive sessions will be the focused discussions on the module and the readings. And that's a most exciting part, I think, so in our course, that we will be having those interactive sessions with our researchers, with our students, with our participants of the course, and we will be sharing ideas on the module packs. So on each module, focused discussion will be arranged for you. And it is strongly recommended to attend those sessions and participate actively in those sessions to get maximum benefit. So the last part is the assessment in this course. The assessment will also be on the basis of the module packs. So these assessments will be announced, and these assessments also include 3 portions. Number 1 is the assignment. Assignment can be anything. It can be anything assigned to you by teacher, maybe a graded discussion board or a peer-reviewed assignment, or a short project or long project, or short assignment, or some literature review, or anything which is assigned to you by teacher. So assignments will also be the module focused. So the second thing is the midterm exam. Midterm exams will also include these modules, and the final thing is the final term exams.